Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, I'm going to do some fajitas on the Weber Performer. I'm going to show you how we do a simple marinade using some simple ingredients, including that J.P.BBQ. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how these fajitas come out. Check it out. So the ingredients that you're going to need for this marinade, very simple. We're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to use some Worcester sauce. We're going to use the J.P.BBQ, great seasoning right here. And we're going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper to it as well. And our other raw vegetables, we're going to use half of an onion, 3 limes, 2 cloves of garlic. So let's go ahead and get this stuff cut up. And what you want to do is get you like a little cup as well, like this. Get you like one of those gallon containers, because all your ingredients are going to go in here. So we'll start off first with half of an onion. We'll get this half an onion chopped up. I want to take off this old the outside layer of this onion and get this onion chopped up. It doesn't need to be fine, just something like that be good. All right, and we'll just throw those ingredients right in there. We're going to take our cloves of garlic. What you want to do is crush it a little bit. That way you can break that skin. There we go. Hey, sometimes you got to hit this garlic a little bit hard. That way you get all this paper off of it. There we go. Nice clove right there. And if you like garlic, feel free to add more garlic to it. I'm only going to use 2 garlics, so we'll get this garlic minced up. Just smells good. And we'll add that garlic in there with our onion. We're going to add 3 limes to it. Oh, I forgot to mention the limes. I don't think I mentioned the limes in the ingredient. Get you some nice limes. I got my little lime squeezer right here, so I get all these juices out of it. And I might be able to get away with 2 limes. Depending on how much lime juice these bad boys got. And sometimes you get some limes and they'll just come from the grocery store and they're just dry. It's like, what happened to all the juice in it? The juice just dries up out of it. So we're going to go ahead and put all 3 limes into it. Oh yeah, that one was juicy. That was oh yeah, because we want the lime to really enhance the flavor of this beef. The other thing that helps out is having some good ingredients. Starting off with the J.P.BBQ. That's a very nice kosher salt with coarse ground pepper. And all we really need, we just need about a tablespoon. Let me see what I got here. Yeah, a teaspoon. We don't need much. There we go. Get you a teaspoon of that right there. And what we're going to do is take a little bit of this cayenne pepper to add some flavor to it. 1/4 teaspoon. Get in there. Yeah, that should do it right there. Put the rest back in there. Take a little bit of this Worcester sauce. Maybe 2 teaspoons of this. 1, 2. Oh yeah, that Worcester sauce smells so good. And we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. There we go. 1/4 cup of that olive oil. So now that we got it ready, we'll make sure we get it all mixed up in there, and we got to go get our meat. So I got these fajitas at my grocery store today, and not really much I got to do to them. They're ready to go. We got this fajita marinade, or this marinade that's set, and it's just a matter of putting them inside this plastic container You know, and get this other one in there too. Zip locking it, or closing the zip lock. And as you're closing it, what you want to do is try to get as much of that air out of here. Okay, there we go. You want to make sure it's nice and sealed, because what we're fixing to do is get this marinade, try to rub it all, you know, on the meat. Got the garlic, got the onions, got the lime, got the salt, pepper, garlic from the J.P.BBQ, the Worcester sauce, olive oil. Yes, sir. And get this marinade. Just tumble it right there, just like that. And if there's any air still left in it, just open it up a little bit. Get that air completely out. There we go. Just squeeze it out of there. There we go. Get it nice and sealed. So we'll let this marinade sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, maybe 2 hours, you know, at least. And oh man, it looks good. It smells good. Let's check that out right there. Don't that look good? Look at that. What do you think of that? Simple marinade. Few ingredients, you know, it don't take much, you know. And fajitas, heck, who don't like fajitas? So I'm gonna get this inside our refrigerator. We're gonna let it marinate for about 2 hours, and we'll fire up that Weber Performer and make us some fajitas today. You guys stay tuned. Cut right down the middle here first and take a look at it on the inside. Oh yeah, nice and juicy. So I'm gonna cut this one also right here. Oh yeah, look at that. That gorgeous medium rare right there. So what you want to do with fajitas is when you got a long strip with this skirt steak, cut it into small pieces, but you want to eventually cut it against the grain. Here we go. Cut it against the grain. That way it's a little bit more tender. Let's take a look at these fajitas. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that piece right there. This is a gorgeous piece. Yeah. Got a little bit medium in there. Medium well, maybe. Let's see what it's all about. I gotta get my tortillas. That is a good piece of meat. I got me a corn tortilla right here. I'm gonna grab me some of these pieces of this fajita. Add some of this pico de gallo that I made. Got some cilantro in there. Look at that. Look at that taco. That a good looking taco or what? Here we go. Let's take us a little bite. That jalapeno. Oh my goodness. Oh man. That is a hot jalapeno. That is a hot pico de gallo. Oh my gosh. Wow. That jalapeno is hot. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Let's get us another bite. Look at that. That gorgeous right there. That is good. Every now and then, you just need you some good carne, some good fajitas. Ooh, that is good. Love the burn. That is good. That is good. It's hard to do all this in one shot. Yeah, because I got to cut the meat. I got to put the pico de gallo. I'm watching my tortillas. Over here, I got my frijoles. That is just a great piece of meat right there. Look at that. Got a beautiful color. Give me a little bite. All right, so let's cut the rest of this fajitas. And let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna make me another taco, guys. This time, I'm gonna put some frijolitos on it. Cause I love me some frijolitos. You can't have some tacos, fajitas, without no frijolitos on it. Gotta have it. Grab me a couple of these pieces of meat. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab me that one right there. And this one too right there. And grab me some pico de gallo. Man, my mouth is watering just looking at this stuff. Got some nice tomatoes in there and some good looking jalapeno. That was a hot jalapeno that I had on that first taco. But here we go. Look at that. Okay. Ain't that a good looking taco? You can't beat those fajitas. These fajitas with the J.P.BBQ marinated with the onions, the garlic, the Worcester sauce, the lemon, the lime just came out good. Let's give it another bite. And then I got those frijolitos in there. Ooh, yes sir. Let's see. Super delicious, guys. Really, really good. That lime just comes through. Give me some more of this. Oh, that is so good. Fantastic, guys. I mean, these fajitas came out really good. But I gotta get back inside. I gotta feed the family. Do me a favor. If you're interested in any of the products that I have, you know, I have my website right here, jpbbq.com. It's where I keep all my barbecue rubs and sauces. If you're interested in any of my products, feel free to visit the website. You know, those are the things that help support this channel. Also, want to give a shout out to my subscribers and my viewers, and especially my patrons. My patrons are the ones that, you know, help support this channel as well. Want to thank Ben Lee, Maria Balderas, Sam Santos, Leticia Vallejo, my new patron that I got this month, Billy Walsh. Billy Walsh, thank you so much, sir. I appreciate you very much. You're an awesome person. Maybe one day I get to meet you. But besides that, guys, I'm done here. I got to get inside, feed the family. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you on the next cookout. You guys take care.